Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create traffic campaign, video views campaign and view content optimized campaign. So these campaigns are also called as a consideration campaigns in a Meta Ads Manager. So consideration is considered to be a middle of the funnel layer where our goal is to encourage people to get more information about our products and services. So let's learn how to create traffic campaign first. So first just click on create. Select the campaign objective as a traffic. Click on continue. Select the manual traffic campaign and click on continue. Give the campaign name. I will be giving the campaign name as a traffic summer sale. So you can see here our campaign objective is a traffic and I will be setting up the budget at ad set level. So I will be not selecting the budget at campaign level here. So this will be off. Okay. So I will be giving the ad set name as a traffic. So under conversion, we want conversions in our website. So we will be changing this to website and we want our performance goal. So we have multiple performance goal here. We have two performance goals. Either we want maximum number of landing page view or maximum number of link clicks. So I want people to visit the landing pages of our website. So I will be optimizing it on a maximized landing page view. So here scroll down and choose the budget. I will be selecting the daily budget as a 400 rupees and under the location choose the location targeting. Here I will be selecting India and I will be only targeting the top cities. So I will be selecting only include cities. Here under the audiences, I will be switch back to the original audience options and click on use original audience. So here I will be selecting the age range as 18 to 35 and we will be only targeting men as it is a men's clothing brand. So under interest targeting, we will be selecting the fashion brands. So I will search for some fashion brands. So click on suggestions, you will find number of suggestions. Just I will be quickly selecting few. So I just selected few fashion brands. So I have just selected the fashion brands because we want to target the men's age between 18 to 35 who are interested in fashion brands. So in a placements, I will be selecting Advantage Plus placement. Go to the ad level. Give the ad name as ad, let's say ad 1 and ad setup as we will be creating new ad, and here under the ad creative select the media. I will be selecting an image. Click on continue. Click on next and done. So here we have to add a primary text. So I will be adding the primary text here. Similarly, we have to add, you can add up to 5 primary text. Similarly, we can add here headline. And here just select the call to action. I want shop now. Add a destination URL where basically destination URL is where all your traffic will be reverted because we are optimizing on a landing page views. So all the people will land on the particular URL of the website, and here just enable the tracking website event, that is we are just selecting the pixel, and here in URL parameters just build a URL parameters. So basically we use URL parameters because we want to track campaign on Google Analytics. Just click on apply. So we are good to go. So just close, click on review and publish and just publish the campaign. So we have just created the traffic campaign. So you can see here we have just created the traffic campaign with a landing page view as an conversion event. Now our goal is to create a video views campaign. So just click on a create a campaign choose the objective. There are two ways you can create a video views campaign, either through awareness objective or an engagement objective. So I will be selecting the objective as an engagement and click on continue. Choose the manual engagement campaign and click on continue. So here I will be giving the campaign name as an engagement summer sale. And here you can see here our campaign objective selected as engagement. Just go to the ad set level and let's give the ad set name as a engagement video views campaign. So under conversions, you can see we have to select the conversion location. So I will be selecting the conversion location as on your video, because we will be running a video view ad. So we want a maximum number of video views on our particular video. And here engagement type is a video views, and our performance goal is selected as a maximize through play. So in a performance goal we have two options: either we want a maximum number of 2-second continue video views, or we want a 15-second video views. So I am selecting a 15-second video views. Select the daily budget. I am just selecting daily budget as 100, and under the audience control, select the location that you want to target. Here I want to target India. And under the audience, under the advantage plus audience, click on a switch to original audience and click on use original audience. Here you want to select age range. Select the age range as, let's say we want to target 18 to 35 and only men's. So in a detailed targeting, here I will be selecting fashion and shopping interest. Click on suggestion. You will find number of suggestions here. Just choose from here. So I have just selected a fashion and shopping interest. So under placements, I will be choosing the manual placement. So I want to serve my ads only on a reel and story placement. So I will be deselecting all other placements: app and sites, search result, in-stream ads, and a feeds. So I want to only serve ads on Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Messenger stories, and Instagram reel and Facebook reel. So just click on next. Give the ad name as let's say we will give it as an engagement ad, and our Instagram and Facebook page is selected. So under ad setup, we will be creating an ad. So just go ahead. Now here we have to select the video. So here just click on add video, click on upload, and just choose the video. So our video got uploaded. I'm just clicking on next. Just again clicking on next and just next. Done. Here we have to add a primary text. So I'm just adding the primary text. So even though it is a video view ad, we will be adding a destination. Let's say if someone clicks on it, so there should be some landing page. So I will just check box this, add a destination, and here we have to select website and just add the destination URL. So I will be just giving the home page as a destination URL here, and here we have to select the call to action. So here I will be selecting call to action as a shop now. So I think we are all good to go. Just we have to just ensure that tracking is on. That is, we have to select the pixel here, and here we have to build the URL parameters. So this is done to track the data on Google Analytics. So here we have to just select campaign source as a Facebook, medium as a CPC, campaign name as a ad set name, and campaign content as a ad name. Just click on apply and we are good to go. Just close this and just publish, review and publish, and just publish the campaign. So you can see here our traffic and engagement video view campaign got created. Now our final task is to create a view content optimized conversion campaign. So just click on create a campaign, click on sales, click on continue, choose the manual sales campaign and click on continue. And here give the campaign name as a, let's say, view content. So you can see here our campaign objective is a sales and we will not be using catalog, so I am just turning it off. So all looks good. Just go to the ad set level and here just change the name as a view content. So here we want conversion location as a website. So our performance goal is a maximum number of conversion. Our pixel is already selected here. Choose the conversion event. So we want people to land our product pages. So we will be selecting conversion event as a view content. Select the daily budget. I am just setting up as a 200 rupees. Here select the location. I will be selecting the location as India. Here advantage plus audience is selected. I have to switch back to the original audience option and use original audience. Here choose the age range. I want to target 18 to 35. Here choose a gender as a male, as we want to target only men. Here we want to target those men who are interested in a shoe brands. So I will be adding interest as some footwear brands. So once you click on suggestions, here number of options pop up. You just have to select from them. So I've just selected few shoe companies and now I want to go ahead with the advantage plus placement. So now let's go to the ad level. Give the ad name. And our Facebook and Instagram page is selected. Ad setup, we have to create a new ad and we want to create a manual upload, single image and just add a image. So our image is selected. I will be adding here primary text, headline, and here call to action as a shop now, and add a website URL. So under tracking you can see our pixel is already selected because we have already selected pixel at ad set level. So below the URL parameters we have to just build a URL parameters in order to track data on Google Analytics. So just add a campaign source as a Facebook, campaign medium as a CPC, campaign name as ad set name, and campaign content as ad name. Click on apply. I think we are all good to go. Close this and just review and publish and just publish the campaign. So you can see here we have just created one view content campaign, one traffic campaign and one video views campaign. So all these campaigns come under the consideration layer where our goal is to encourage people to get interested in our products and services. That is, we want people to watch our videos, visit our landing pages through traffic campaign and visit our product pages with the help of view content optimized campaigns. So this is how we set up the consideration campaigns. If you find this video useful, do like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any doubts, do comment.